If the moon moved just 10% closer to Earth, the world wouldn't end overnight, but it would begin to change in ways that are both subtle and profound. We're not talking about breaking the laws of physics. We're talking about shifting a delicate balance that our planet depends on. Tides, for example, wouldn't become instant mega waves, but they would grow significantly stronger. Coastal regions would experience more extreme high tides, gradually reshaping shorelines and increasing flooding risks for millions. And it's not just the oceans. The Earth itself experiences tidal forces. With a closer moon, the planet's crust would flex slightly more, potentially affecting stress along tectonic boundaries over long periods of time. This isn't science fiction. It's a direct consequence of gravitational physics and orbital mechanics. If this insight just shifted your perspective, subscribe to Mind Sprints for your daily dose of wonder. Now, let's see how deep this really goes. You may have heard of the Roche Limit, the distance at which a celestial body can be torn apart by gravity. The moon is nowhere near that boundary, but its current position shows just how important distance is in space. Think of the Earth and moon like two dancers connected by gravity, moving in a stable, ancient rhythm. If the moon moved closer, that balance would shift, and energy would transfer differently between the two bodies. One of the biggest long-term effects would be on Earth's rotation. Stronger tidal forces would gradually slow the planet down, essentially acting as a gravitational brake and making our days longer over time. Life on Earth would feel this too. Many species rely on lunar cycles for navigation, reproduction, and behavior. Even small changes in the moon's appearance and pull could ripple through ecosystems in ways we are only beginning to understand. But here's the twist. The moon isn't getting closer. It's actually moving away from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year. That means that billions of years ago, the moon really did appear larger in the sky and exert much stronger tidal forces than it does today. What this scenario reveals is something incredible. We are living in a rare window of relative orbital stability. Small cosmic changes don't just stay in space, they echo through our oceans, our land, and life itself. If you enjoyed this deep dive into our cosmic neighborhood, hit the like button and subscribe to Mind Sprints for more explorations. If you could move the moon anywhere in the sky, would you bring it closer for the view or push it further away for stability?